Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, we are going to be making some fun embellishments using these little frames that I cut out from a paper pad. I thought it'd be fun to kind of create like a little scenery with these little frames. So we're going to be doing that today. So let me show you really quickly the paper that I'm using. The paper pad that I'm using is this one from Michaels. This is the one from this year, and it's really fun. A lot of really cute things in this paper pad. The paper that I'm using is this one right here. It has a whole bunch of different kinds of frames, and I thought it would be fun. So I thought this would be interesting to do. So we'll see. We'll see how this turns out, okay? So I cut out the frames that I want to use for this project, and I have them right here. So I basically did not go crazy with the frames as far as fuzzy cutting. I just basically cut them out based on their shape of their frames, and I didn't spend too much time as far as cutting these exactly perfect. You guys know how I feel about that. So okay, so these are the little frames that we're going to use, okay? The stickers that we're going to use, I thought it would be fun to use these stickers that I got at Michael's because they're kind of one of those those stickers that when you move them around, the images kind of change. And so the frames that we're using are also have some reflective little like little edges. See the edges of the frames, they're also reflective, so it kind of look like they would be a nice combination. So we're going to use these stickers from Michael's. I don't know if you guys can see there, but if I move this around, I don't know, can you see how they change? See this one right here? From a skeleton to, let me see, a woman. See, skeleton to a woman. So they all have these cute little different things that you can, once you move them around, they change. So let's build these cute adorable embellishments. So what I want to do is I'm going to use a lot of these stickers. So for the bigger frames, obviously we're going to use the bigger stickers, right? So this sticker right here is gigantic, and I think it fits perfect in this frame. So we can use that right over this frame. Already, look at that. Already that looks awesome. Okay. This one, we can probably, let's use this one here. Okay. For this one, we can use this one. That looks cute. And then I got these two that I have to use, so I can probably use this one for this one, and this one for this one. So the sticker also has two of these little birds, so we can probably use these little birds, right? On one of these. Let's see which one. We could probably use this bird maybe on this one right here, sticking out right there. See that? And then this bird, this tinier bird, we can probably use it let's see. maybe here. We'll use it on this one right here. Okay. See that? That's cute. Okay, actually that already looks adorable, these embellishments. But we're not done yet. We're not done. So what I also wanted to use are some of these bats that I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought it would be awesome to kind of add some bats in here. So let's do that, okay? So let me see what color of bats we're going to use. I think the silver and the black will make more sense because most of these designs are silver and black, right? So we'll see here. All right, so let's get the silver, no, let's get the black bats and figure out where we can add them, okay? So for example, with this one right here, I think adding this bat right there will be perfect. See that? That's cute. And let's see. We can also probably add maybe a bat over here. Okay. I think I'm going to add a silver bat in this embellishment because I don't know, maybe we can even add silver and a black one. Maybe we can add two. See, we can add a silver bat right there. And then maybe we can add another bat right there, layering on top of each other. That's cute. Okay, let's see what else we can do here. This one looks a little bit lonely, so let's add a bat to this one. Okay, and then we're going to add another bat to this one. That's cute. They're turning out really, really fun. You see that? How cute are these? Turning out super duper cute. Okay, so I also have some ghosts here. I don't know if I can use these ghosts, but we can probably try to squeeze in one or two ghosts, right? So we'll see here. Let's see if we can try to squeeze in a ghost maybe behind here, coming out. See that? Right there. And then maybe we can actually add another ghost. Perhaps maybe on this side over here. There you go. Okay, I think I'm going to remove this because I don't like the way this is looking. I'm thinking I'm going to add a ghost in here instead of this black bat. I think I like that better. Okay. And then maybe we can add this black bat somewhere else. I don't know, maybe like poking out of here. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see how that looks. There you go. Okay, nice, right? That looks cute. I like that. I really, really like the way that's turning out. Okay, very, very cute. Let's see, can we add more ghosts around here? Maybe we can add a ghost on this side. And this is a really great way for you to use your stickers, guys, okay? A perfect idea to get rid of your stickers. Okay, perfect. I think this is pretty much okay. I'm not going to use any more of these bats because I think I have enough bats in here to use. Okay, let's put my bats away. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to use some sequins, okay? So what I decided to do is I decided to use the sequins that I got at the Dollar Tree, which are the ones that are rest in peace sequins. I don't know if you guys remember, but I bought a whole bunch of these sequins at the Dollar Tree. I love this little rest in peace little sequin. I thought it was adorable. So here I have some of them, and what I basically did with them is I added a little small tiny dimensions on the back so that the rest in peace little sign can be a little bit lifted up, and it gives the little sequence some dimension. Okay, see on the back I just added a little bit of dimension on it, and that looks really fun to add to the little embellishment. Okay, so let's find places to add this rest in peace. So already I know I'm going to add this one right here, and that's going to be absolutely perfect. Perfect spot for this little rest in peace sequins. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue because I don't trust too much that this will stay there. Right there. And that is absolutely perfect. Perfect. I love it. Look at that. Look at this adorableness going on here. Can you see that? This is done already. I already completed my embellishment with this one. I need to not put nothing else in it. It is absolutely perfect. Maybe googly eyes. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Let's work with this one. Actually, let's work with this one. This one I think I like also. So what I want to put, maybe I'll put the rest in peace right there on this one, on this side. Maybe we'll put a ghost on this side. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see how this will look here. Yeah, that would look nice. Let's do that. Okay, so we're going to put the rest in peace right on this side. And let's see if I find a ghost to put on this little side right here. Let's see, do we have a smaller one? Maybe this one. I don't think this go. Oh, maybe here. Let me see. Maybe here. Oh yeah, right there. Perfect. That looks good there. There you go. Embellishment number 2 complete. These are so cute. I love these. Okay. These 2 are done. Now we're gonna work with these 3 right here. And let's see where we're going to put this rest in peace. Obviously, this is going to probably go here. This rest in peace we're going to put right here. Or maybe here. And then this last one. Maybe in the front, maybe? I'm not sure about this one. Let's see. Maybe here. Like that. Yeah? And then maybe we can add like a ghost right here because this is kind of simple and plain right here. Okay. Let's glue this one down. There you go. Okay, there's that one. Let's glue this one down. And let's glue this one down. Okay, now for this one I'm going to add a ghost on this side because this is definitely too plain for me. So I'm going to squeeze in there a ghost on this side. Okay, see if we can squeeze him in there as much as we can. There we go. Okay, perfect. There he goes. Okay, there goes the ghost. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. Can we squeeze a ghost on this side? Maybe. Yeah, we could. Let's do that. There you go. Beautiful. All right, guys. There you go. I love these. These are so cute. These are really fun embellishments. I like these. How would you use these? You can probably use these as little banners, right? You can hang these as little banners, or you can use them as in front of a card, like a greeting card. That would be really cute. I love how these turned out. These are really, really fun. Okay, so there you have it. That is the finished look to these fun embellishments. How fun that was, right? To create a little scenery. So this is a really great idea to have all those Halloween stickers that you do not use, and maybe you can make use out of them. Okay, create yourself like a nice little scenery, and then you can use your stickers that you hardly ever use, and you can create a really fun embellishment like that. Okay, so I hope that you guys get inspired. I hope that this gave you a really fun idea to use your stickers, and I hope that you take a look at it and see how easy it is. So try it. Try it, my friends. It's fun. It's cute. Adorable. I love it. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by, my lovely friends. I will see you on my next video. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure that you leave me a comment. Show me some love. I love you all, and I'll see you soon.